G'day viewers, I got this bell transformer that Wicked XC sent me. Since this is an 8 volt transformer, it'll be around about a little bit higher when rectified, so probably about 10 volts unloaded. As soon as I put a bit of load in it, it'll be about 9 volts. This will be good to run my Astor. Got this little rectifier here. I put a 1000 microfarad Panasonic capacitor in place of a 470 generic Chinese one. That's a filter cap. I just changed the filter cap and reuse this rectifier board off of a little 9 volt battery charger. I've replaced this bloody broken terminal block. I tried to use a drill bit to try and get the broken screw out, but it ended up drilling the rivet out and it came right out of the bloody Bakelite. So I was able to put a nut and washer in there, but I got to get a good connection on here. So I got no voltage between there and there. I should be getting 8 volts, but this wire is not making a connection. I'm going to have to repair that. And I have a good little proper 8 rectified little 8 volt power supply to run the Astor. And let's repair that and see if it works. Okay, viewers, it's all been properly rerouted. And it worked quite well. Now I added this earth so I can ground the earth to the chassis of the radio. These old radios had an earth connection to get rid of any excess interference. So when you're pulling distant stations in, they'll come in a bit clearer. So helps a lot. So I'll whack that back on like that. I'll make a little board for it to bolt onto. It'll screw onto a little wooden board. Have a little enclosure for this rectifier here. Get a multimeter out and give it a test. See if I got any voltage there now. Well, I got the wrong winding by the looks of it. 16.27 volts DC. Got my AC reading here. I'll quickly get the tripod set up, hang on. Alright. AC. Yeah, 12 volts, so 0. Should be 3, 5. Is it 3, 5 and 8 volts. So 8 plus 3 was 11 volts. 5, there you go, 4 volts between there and there, between there and there. 8 volts between there and there. 5 volts, so between there and there. I'll take this one here out and put that one there and there. And that should, yeah, that should be, alright. That'll make it easier. There you go, it's got to change that tap there in the middle. So this outside one, I'll take that screw out and put it in the middle one. And that should make a 9 volt power supply instead of a 12 volt one. Alright. It's all done correctly now. Let's give it a test. DC out, send it to positive. I might have to change the end there so I got an elbow. Yeah, still got the same deal. Yep, 7 volts AC going in. That's right, 7 volts AC going in. .03 volts on. I work because that capacitor's charging. Yeah, charging that cap up. Yeah. It shouldn't be, yeah, sure, it'll drop of load. 16.02 volts unloaded. Capacitor works quite well. There we go, got a good decent 8 volt power supply, so as soon as I turn the Astor on, it should drop this thing down to 9 volts. That way it's not so damn loud at no volume. What we're going to do now is make a little board for it. Cat. If yours a nice bit of plank of wood, I've sanded it up nice and smooth. Transformer will bolt there, cardboard clamp will go there, and the rectifier will go here. I probably should look for a regulator in my stash. I should have a regulator somewhere. Make this thing regulated. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, viewers, all done. Little cable clamps are in place. Looks nice and retro now. That's all glued down. We'll see how it goes first. I may need to put a regulator in this, so this should work quite nicely. As soon as it's under load, it should drop down in voltage. But really, for it to be a proper 9-volt power supply, it's got to be regulated. But we'll see how this goes. Finally found a good use for this bell transformer. Looks kind of useful for this sort of stuff. Anyway, enough waffling. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.